what we're going to do today, okay, we're going to go on, you're going to start using dartfish, and having a go at dartfish and how dartfish works. You're going to look at what you are able to use dartfish for initially. I'm going to put you into groups to do this. You're going to look at how you're going to use the software. You're going to look at how you can use dartfish to analyse performance. Okay, so I'm going to give you some video clips of different performances. You can have a look at how you can analyse those performances. Specific things you might want to consider. Okay, angles, time, distances, velocities, technical aspects of performance. So if you're assigned, both your assignments, you will use dartfish. So you need to have a really good understanding of what it's about. And you're going to look at you're going to assess how useful you think dartfish will be. So how practically can you use dartfish? So you need to look at the practical application of this software. Who will use it, what will they use it for, and what information does it provide? Okay? I'm not going to really give you any input on this. You're going to go away, have a play around with dartfish, and you're going to uncover all of this information yourselves. Okay? I've made available to you a lot of resources on the Learning Channel that you can use to help you do this, but how much information you find is going to come from you guys. Okay? So you're going to basically explore dartfish. I'm not really going to give you any input on how you're going to do this. You're going to, in groups, you're going to put yourself into 3 groups of 4, and you're going to find out as much about the use of dartfish as you possibly can. At the end of this, what you're going to do is you're going to pitch. You're going to imagine that dartfish is your product that you have designed, and you're going to pitch dartfish back to the rest of the group. So as much as you know about it, or as more as you can know about it as possible, the better your pitch will be. And the group will then decide whose product they would buy, so whose dartfish they would buy. You've got to sell the product, so you have to know as much as you possibly can about dartfish. So you're going to explore dartfish and find out as much as you can of what it does, how it does it, why it does it, what you can use it for. So what I want you to have achieved is you're going to be able to describe the use of dartfish for different sports. You're going to look at how athletes can use it. How might athletes use dartfish? Why might they use it? Think about your own sports as well. Think about own personal examples you might use dartfish for. And you're going to analyse sports performances using dartfish. Okay? So you're going to go onto the software and you're going to have a go at it and see what you can find out. On the Learning Channel.
I watched that intro video.
So who?
I said I watched that last night.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. You've got in here tutorial guides. You have a range of different things in here that you might want to have a look at. This is up to you. Okay, but there's things available in there that you might want to access to see how this works. That is the outcomes I've just shown you. So if you need to recall what you're trying to do, what you're trying to achieve, that's on there. In here, I have uploaded loads of different videos for you to download, and you can put these onto dartfish yourself. Okay, so you're going to use these videos to analyse. There's different ones on there. It's up to you which ones you access, which ones you have a look at. You might want to try different ones. The different ones you look at, there's a reason I put different ones up on there, because of the features dartfish offers you. There's different things you can do depending on which video you look at. Okay, drag flick, cricket fast bowler, 2 long jump videos, a sprint start, and then a cricketer, a batting, guy batting. Okay, I think it's Nick Sale batting. Okay.
Yeah. Oh no!
There was one Andy, but I thought it was too good. There was questions told about, so I went with that.
Oh, right.
So the videos are in there, dartfish in there. I'm going to show you this. Okay, there is no sound on this video. Okay, so different things that you might want to have a look at and have a think about when you're using dartfish. So in the top left-hand corner, it's
Bottom right
what you
is
do.
rapid.
So that's key positions you might want to try and remember. That will come useful. Really?
Oh, it's too very good.
Shame.
No. Oh, that's cool.
I've never seen that exciting before in my life. Okay? That's on the learning channel, so you can access that and have a look at the different things that you can do. Okay? In your groups, you can split yourselves into groups. It's up to you who you work with. You will be provided with, don't forget there's all stuff on the learning channel, so the videos are on the learning channel already. However, additional to that, you will be given a video camera and a tape. Okay? This is for use within the room. Okay, so if you want to use it, because ultimately for your assignments you will have to download stuff up here. So you've got a USB cable, a video cassette, and then the camera. Okay? Initially I would perhaps, you've already got those, okay, but you might want to explore the soccer first. It's up to you, you have that there. You also have a bit of flip chart paper, because you need to at some point start generating, putting all your thoughts together about what it does. Okay, pens, so every group has one of those. Okay? Has anybody got any questions at all at this point in time?
When are we doing our pitch?
We will see how we get on with this first. Okay? So see how much information you generate. You've obviously got as much as possible information before you can do your pitch. Okay, so we will play it by ear. Can you first of all, before you head off, set yourselves into get yourselves into 4 groups of 3 groups of 4. Apologies. So okay, send. Oh, what we'll do. You need to get yourselves an appropriate team name. An appropriate team name. Once you have figured out your team name, you need to write it on the top of your
What's the shirt?
I need your name on the top of the piece of paper. If you have to ask me, generally you know it's going to be in the print.
That's even worse.
You've got to pitch this.
Sounds the best.
Then you do the apprentice. Because they're from really good names. Simple to the point. Have you got one? Good. Is it the one you just heard you say? Right, no. It's a free theme every week. Okay, Ed's group. I would like you to work in that corner over there for me, please. You need to, that computer in the corner, that needs to be switched on. Okay, that needs to be, someone needs to be using that one. So that will not work. This group here, I'm just going to get you to work in the same area, please. You're not looking a lot, just play around. You go around that corner. Guys here, you can work in this area over here. Okay? Now, get yourselves on the learning channel.
Good from Juliet.
Don't forget you've got to, well, use the learning channel, have a look at the learning channel first, and then you have a play around with this. If you have it, that's there for you to have a play around with it. You can have a look at how to get the stuff from there onto the Dutch as well. Because ultimately, if you think of, you know last week we did the level of performance, think about how people, different levels of performance, of course people might have that. Why didn't you, sorry, just going to throw this out there to you, is there any way of measuring it perhaps? So can I suggest that you have a play around with it and see what you can do with it?
Tools. Standard toolbar.
Come on a minute, look at the top, look at the
Play it a bit
Not
more.
the
try and
drop,
skip
ignore the
it,
file
avoid
and
it.
control
That's
bits.
just more
Not like that,
important.
but you just
Compare, compare the left to that, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, no.